Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Shopify application from your device. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Shopify application from your device, firstly go ahead and launch open your app list. Search for Shopify application and long press on it. Four options will pop up on the screen, that is Uninstall, Edit, Widgets and App Information. Now to delete your Shopify application, tap on Uninstall button. From the pop-up, confirm deletion of your application by tapping on OK. This is how you can delete your Shopify application from your device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.